Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how amazing this portable oral irrigator is. I didn't like portable ones because they weren't as good as the countertop oral irrigators. However, this one has changed my mind and has become my new favorite. Let me tell you why. First, for a cordless water flosser, its high water pressure is just as good as the countertop one back home. Second, this device holds 300 milliliters of water capacity during use, which saves me from doing any refills. Third, it has an innovative design. There's a gravity ball on the suction end. It can also spray water when it's inverted and wash the inside of my teeth.
Ipx7 makes foreign trading easier.